Okay, we are here with our new Model Y Juniper here at Hand Show in Santa Ana for EV installs that I don't want to do myself. So it's pretty cool. We've got a special surprise here. Something that I think is like a mandatory must for all of our cars. And that's going to be this screen swivel kit. And I always wait until the second version of these swivel kits come out because those are the ones that don't lower the screen, but keep it at pretty much stock level, but still allow up and down, left and right swivel. So we're gonna get that installed here. Again, I love coming to Hand Show. I can do installations for the most part, but there's some that I'm just not comfortable doing. So this is a really, really nice spot here in Santa Ana that they have. So again, if you need to install anything, this shop has just been great so far for my Cybertruck and now for the Model Y. Right, about to get the show going. We're gonna install the Gen 2 kit right here, which prevents the drop down of the screen, which I'm never a big fan of the drop down. It does make it easier to reach in some circumstances, but I like the OG level height for the stock. So that's why we're doing the Gen 2 kit. And again, the shop always is working on Teslas. You can bring any cars here, but they really are experts in any mods for the Teslas. And they even have a bunch of stuff in stock if you want to purchase from here. All right, we got the screen taken out now. That's how it looks. Big bracket on there. All right, we have finished the install. A very quick install. We're pretty much pros at this thing here. But yeah, this is very cool. So again, height level is the same. This is pretty much kind of what the stock looks like. I feel like it's just like a little bit more forward than stock. That's the new bracket. You get all your original parts back. And then here we've got, again, tilt towards the driver, tilt towards the passenger. Any little increments work. And then of course you've got tilt downwards, tilt upwards, and it goes a good amount. So it's just so convenient. I love having this level of customization in your screen tilt. Really quite awesome. But yeah, again, Hand Show, thank you for sending this out so we can test this product. I have it in my Cybertruck. I think it's definitely one of those must-have products that I like having in all my cars. Again, the only car I didn't get this in was my Model S Plaid and the Model X Plaid because those had via factory automated swivel screens. But again, this is definitely something on the 3Y and the Cybertruck moving forward that is a must-have. Love having that swivel screen. And get it installed in Hand Show with any other products that you wanted to purchase. You can purchase and install straight through them. Easy process. See you guys on the next one.